Coming up on this episode with Isabella Flowers, your real estate agent. Today's home tour takes us to Enterprise, Alabama. Built in 1950, this house has 2 bedrooms and 1 full bathroom. When you decide you want to live here at this property, you're going to gain all of the convenience that living in town has to offer. Enterprise itself has so many cute stores, healthcare offices, a Walmart, and an Aldi. I love the Aldi here. We have a variety of coffee shops to try. That's one of my hobbies. There's also a farmer's market that's actually close by this home. We have a community college, an upgraded movie theater, different restaurants and fast food places, and so much more. I could keep talking about all of the fun things to do in Enterprise, but I think you get the picture.
Sunshine spills through my window pane. Every mark on the wall tells a story again. There's a warmth here I can't explain. Feels like an endless embrace, not in vain. Home sweet home, where the heart beats free. Laughter echoes under every tree. In this place I know I'm meant to be. Home sweet home, where we live so happily. Familiar paths we walk tonight. Memories woven in each street light. From dawn till dusk, all feels so right. In these walls, there's endless light. Home sweet home, where the heart beats free. Laughter echoes under every tree. In this place I know I'm meant to be. Home sweet home, where we live so happily. When the world feels cold and gray, this is where I always stay. With love and dreams that never stray, home's the song my soul does play. Home sweet home, where the heart beats free. Laughter echoes under every tree. In this place I know I'm meant to be. Home sweet home, where we live so happily. When the world feels cold and gray, this is where I always stay. With love and dreams that never stray, home's the song my soul does play. Home sweet home, where we live so happily.
Come on in. Let's take a look.
Woke up this morning with a smile on my face. Found a bright blue sky in a perfect place. Coffee brewing, loud aroma fills the air. Got a spring in my step, with you everywhere. Sunshine in your eyes melts my worries away. Hand in hand we go, brightening up the day. Just a little moment turns the gray to blue. With sunshine in your eyes, nothing we can't do.
This is your living room or grand room. The white walls pair perfectly with the flooring.
Walking down the street, every face we meet shares a little joy, saying life's pretty sweet. Flowers poking through every crack in the stone, in your radiant light my happiness has grown. Sunshine in your eyes melts my worries away. Hand in hand we go, brightening up the day. Just a little moment turns the gray to blue. With sunshine in your eyes, nothing we can't do.
This is one of the bedrooms. It features that same color scheme and style as the living room. You have flush can lights, windows, and a closet.
In the wind and whispers in the trees. With you by my side, everything's a breeze. Even when the rain comes, we can bear the storm. Your smile is the warmth, keeping hearts so warm. Sunshine in your eyes melts my worries away. Hand in hand we go, brightening up the day. Just a little moment turns the gray to blue. With sunshine in your eyes, nothing we can't do. Laughter in the wind and whispers in the trees. With you by my side, everything's a breeze. Even when the rain comes, we can bear the storm. Your smile is the warmth, keeping hearts so warm. Keep hearts so warm. Sunshine in your eyes melts my worries away. Hand in hand we go, brightening up the day. Just a little moment turns the gray to blue. With sunshine in your eyes, nothing we can't do.
Laughter fills the living room tonight. Silly jokes and stories feel so right. Dancing shadows under kitchen light. Here's to joy that keeps us feeling bright. Pillows tossed around like flying doves. Chasing dreams with everyone we love. Tickle fights and whispers from above. Every giggle fits us like a glove. We're laughing till our sides can't hold no more. Every moment bringing joy galore. Home is where the heart and laughter soar. Good times keep us coming back for more.
This is your second bedroom, and we're going to head to the kitchen, the heart of the home.
Couchforts built from cushions to the sky. Imagination makes the spirits high. Silly faces never asking why. In this house we let our laughter fly. Pajama parties turning into dance. Sharing stories of our wild romance. Minutes turn to hours in a trance. Good times pass without a second chance. We're laughing till our sides can't hold no more. Every moment bringing joy galore. Home is where the heart and laughter soar. Good times keep us coming back for more.
I like that this home has windows almost all the way around it. You can let in a lot of natural light that way and see what's going on outside.
Couchforts built from cushions to the sky. Imagination makes the spirits high. silly faces never asking why. In this house we let our laughter fly. We're laughing till our sides can't hold no more. Every moment bringing joy galore. Home is where the heart and laughter soar. Good times keep us coming back for more.
This is one of the entryways to this home, and think about all of the cute holiday decor, seasonal things you could place here. It's going to be one of the first things people see when they enter, and you could have a little tree or who knows what there. Your laundry room, and again, there's a window. So this laundry room has plenty of space to fold your clothes. This home is for rent and is managed by Red House Property Management. The current rent is $950 per month. Pets are welcome with a pet fee. I'm going to leave my contact information at the end of this video, as well as in the description. Feel free to reach out to me if you're interested in renting this home, or if you're looking to purchase or sell a house. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next episode.